Ever since I got bangs, oh my gosh, what am I doing? You guys have been telling me that I look like the one and only Mother Taylor Swift.
We were both young when I first saw you.
I'll take it. I'll take it. So today I thought I will try to recreate one of her looks. This is the look I'm going for. Classy Taylor. How do I... Oh no. Gonna have to figure out this whole bangs situation. I love when my cats decide to start eating right when I film. Don't let me stop you guys. Don't let me stop you. I'm gonna start off with my favorite moisturizer, Skin Food. Here comes the difficult part. Moisture was rised. My other cat started eating now. Go ahead. I'll wait. Because Taylor has flawless skin, I'm gonna go in with this BB cream. I don't own foundation, so this is the closest thing I have. And I'm blending that with a wet beauty blender to create a nice base. And now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, Liquid Camouflage Concealer from Catrice. I'm gonna set that concealer with my Sephora setting powder. Not too much, because I still wanna look dewy. Taylor always has like a really nice bronzed look. I'm gonna go in with my Nude Sticks Sculpt Stick and bronze it up. I'm just working that up to the temples. Also the nose a little bit, jawline. Next, my Rare Beauty blush. Some nice rosy cheeks. I'm gonna blend that upwards to get that lifted effect onto the temples as well. If it's too much, I just take my beauty blender to blend it all in. To set that, I'm going in with my Chanel bronzer, and I'm just gonna go over the contour and the blush and just bronze some more. Face Studio Strobing Stick is the highlighter I use. I love it. Just going to highlight the cheekbones, blending that out with my finger. Nose. It's my favorite thing ever. Brow bone, inner corner. For the eyebrows, I'm just gonna fill them in a little bit. I don't think Taylor does too much. And you won't see the brows under the bangs anyways. This brow pencil is from Sephora, by the way. At this point, I'm basically just doing my everyday makeup. Am I? Taylor Swift. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm gonna go back with my Chanel bronzer and use that as an eyeshadow because I am recreating more of her natural classy look. Now I'm taking the shimmer from my Revolution Sugar Pie palette to add this shimmer to the inner corner, drag it in. And now for the eyeliner, I'm using Wonder Ink by Rimmel London. Concentration. Keeping the liner quite thin. Are they even? Now I'm gonna go in with black eyeshadow on an angled brush to set it and to smoke it out a little. Don't ruin it, Sarah. Okay. I forgot to curl my lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. Wish me luck. Ow. And then I'm just gonna take the black eyeshadow and bring it onto my bottom lash line. Very, very smoked out. Maybelline Lash Sensational. So far, so good. I'm having a really good lash day today. Do we do bottom mascara? I feel like Taylor doesn't sometimes. Taylor, if you see this, just let me know if you wear bottom mascara or not, you know? Just tell me. I just did the tiniest amount of bottom mascara. Poquito, poquito. Now for the lips. What kind of Taylor are we doing? Are we doing red lip Taylor? I feel like we should do red lip Taylor. Let's do red lip Taylor. Let's look at Taylor's lip shape first. What's her lip shape? Voluptuous. Taylor has a very defined Cupid's bow. Me too, girl. Lips are lined. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. Oh my gosh. I kind of see it now. Ew, there's lipstick on my teeth. Why didn't you guys tell me? Okay, I'm gonna try to darken it with this Alverde lipstick. Okay, now let's rearrange my bangs. Oh my gosh, why do I see it? I'm gonna take my hair down. Oh my gosh. Okay, confirmed. But Taylor, if you ever need another actress to play younger you in one of your short films or music videos, I'm your girl. Okay, my camera's about to die. Comment your favorite Taylor Swift song. Mine is Mine. I love you guys.